Okay, now that that's out of my system, we can continue. I think I made it clear in the last video, I was not happy with the wheels and tires on this car. In all honesty, the car does not look quite as good as I'd hoped. And I think that's mainly due to the wheels and tires. Right now it's got that Matchbox car look with the small wheels and tires. Again, I really think it's the tires if I'm being honest. In short, I think a wheel upgrade and tire upgrade would make a significant difference. But we're on the home stretch with this thing and money's tight because we've spent a lot. And the whole concept of getting new wheels and tires was just, I didn't know how I was gonna do it. Lo and behold, just an hour and 45 minutes from my house, these sweet Turbine wheels popped up on Marketplace. Now some of you may be thinking they're only 14-inch 4-lug wheels, who cares? I care. I really, really care about this. Because I am not investing money into a 5-lug conversion right now. And the 4-lug wheel market is very sparse, and for me to get any kind of traction aside from a deal like this, I was looking at least $800 to $1,000 to get decent wheels and tires. And things were looking pretty bleak, and I honestly lost some motivation in this thing because I just wasn't happy with the wheels and tires. And now I have these beauties to save the day. So let's just not waste any more time. Let's get them on the car and see how they look. Well, they're on. They only came with 11 lug nuts, so I ordered more. But I have enough to hold the wheels on so I can at least back her out the garage. So let's just have a look-see. Well guys, there she is. Looks pretty good. I can tell you right now, I'm definitely gonna have to roll these fenders. And hopefully that'll do it because these are gonna rub. In fact, when I was backing out, it already rubbed a little right in here. So hopefully rolling these fenders will be enough to give me clearance. I don't know, it's pretty tight. So I have clearance back in behind here. We'll see. But that is going to be the finished look for the Iron 6 for a while, probably a couple years at least. We're going to be moving on to the 72 Mustang and the Duster, which I'm going to try to start here shortly because I haven't ran that since the day I brought it home. I tried to start it the other day, it wouldn't run. I don't think it's getting fuel, so we're going to see if we can't get that started. All right, like I said, I don't think it's getting fuel. We'll try it again here, but I do not expect this thing to start. No. When I spray starter fluid on it, it'll start off for, you know, a few seconds and stop. So we're gonna put some gas in the carburetor and see if we can't get this thing going. Yeah, I don't know if the fuel pump's bad or what, but it's obviously not getting any gas to it. No, there's not even gas leaking out of this, so I know it's not getting gas. We'll just stick that in there. I'll turn it over a few times and see if any fuel shoots into that. Nothing. Here's the gas tank. Check out this awesome gas tank. And we got plenty of fuel. It's filled about halfway. I figured it out pretty sure. This fuel tank isn't even bolted down, and there's a kink in the hose right here. So it hasn't been able to, yeah, I can feel the gas going through now that I opened it up. So we'll let that fill and see if we can't get it running. And this thing was inspected in Maryland, because you don't, well, it wasn't inspected. If it's a vintage tag, or if it's a classic tag in Maryland, you don't have to get it inspected. Oh yeah, we should be good now. We'll throw some more gas in the carburetor, get her going, and hopefully that'll be enough to pull some fuel up. Alright, yeah, I'm pretty confident that was the problem. Let's see if we can't. Should be able to get this thing going. I'm really looking forward to this project. It is going to be a ton of work, but it's going to be a lot of metal work, which is what I'm excited about. So I plan on trying to make as many of the panels as I can, because it's mostly sections of the panels that are rotted out, no major dents. So we'll see. Maybe I'll start stripping it down and the thing's going to be a nightmare. I don't know. It's all part of the fun, right? It's just nice to have something different to work on. But we are going to be working on the 72 Mustang as well. So anyway, let's see if we can't move this thing around. Way too fast. It obviously needs a lot of adjustments done on the carb. Definitely the carb needs some TLC. I just wanted to get it down the driveway further and away from the grass, so mission accomplished. All right, that's everything for the Duster. Like I said, I wasn't going to pay it too much attention. We're still going to get the Iron 6 on the road. That's the main goal. So guys, you guys know I got a list of stuff to do. We're gonna get started on that. It's been a busy week. The kids are back in school. Homework eats up a lot of time. I'm cracking away at it as I can. So until the next episode, guys, stay driven.